Ako yung police, yung criminal.
The greatest criminal story.
Yeah! Go. Son, buy milk.
No,
Now
Papa.
never try again!
No.
I hate this type of household. It always makes me feel bills. Bye. I'm gonna work as a police. And I'm taking your mother.
The arc. This was the evil arc of the greatest criminal.
7. Kunyari daw si Mi yung nagtitinda. Wait, lagay ko nga lang ito sa
Years later,
Oopsie.
I must steal from a store. I need money.
Kaya daw si Mi. Dito ka. No, sir. What would you like to buy?
I would like to steal. Now get out of my
What?
face.
Ah! Sir, no, please! Sir! Please! Don't kill me! I have nothing left!
I guess I will steal this stove. I guess I don't really care anymore.
7.
I'm out of here, boys.
Ngayon, nakamanage ka daw bumili ng malaki.
Yes, I finally bought a good house, a big house. I feel bored. You should go to the park.
Huh? What can seems familiar?
Saka, I need to hide. This will be a good hiding spot.
7. Lagay mo Wi-Fi.
I should go back to... It's getting late now. I should go back to my true house.
I'm gonna spy on you. Seems sassy pa. Seems scary.
Time to get in my home. I'm asleep.
Agent 057. Get eyes on the target. You may charge him now. Yes, sir. Entering the house. Entering the house now. Silent mission 09. Silent mission 0957. Agent 0957. Yes, sir.
I'm thirsty. I should get some water. Oh, what happened to my house? I swear I saw somebody. Is there someone here? I think I saw someone. I guess it's just a ghost. I think it's just nothing. Let me get water from this side. Yes, very good water. I'm gonna go back to sleep.
Target. Can I charge in?
I think
Yes,
I left the door open. I think I heard something. Hey, you! Get out of my house!
Russell Gaun, the greatest criminal. I've been hunting you for years.
You
Since you
creepy
Store from my store. I've dedicated my life to being an agent and training to hunt you down.
Why do you want me so bad?
Because you stole from my store and destroyed my only career.
You have no career.
Do you see?
The only career in this life is being a criminal to me.
No. You can be a cop.
You disgust me.
You disgust me even more.
You ugly riddance.
You criminal scum. Oh my god. Sir, I failed the mission. I'm going to
Come over here.
I'm saying the greatest criminal, this criminal seems to have really good fighting style. I'm gonna call him the Thief. You earned the from his really good rubbing and clap. We will need the Goblin Man for this. I will try my best, sir, to defeat you. Call the Goblin Man immediately. I'm charging in!
Die.
Boom, boom, boom!
You're really good, huh?
Die pudding!
I'm out of here, boy.
7.
I'm out of here.
7.
Adios.
Mapapatay mo dapat ako, tapos mag-iiba ko. Okay, dapat mo
I should charge in.
When Goblin Man comes, he will defeat you. Goblin Man is my final form.
What are you talking about?
Just wait. Oh. Remember me, I will come back. 7.
I'm hungry. I should eat. There's no. This store is closed. I should probably cook myself some lunch. Spaghetti. This will be yummy.
Goblin Man.
That was yummy. Should probably go back home. But first I should steal something. Maybe the diamond in here.
I do.
There's nobody. I guess this will be easy, I guess.
Pagignan. Ay.
The redstone. This stone says to that whoever crushes it, they will get immense power. I should probably save this from when the guy who I killed was true. I should hold that on. I should hold on that.
Goblin man is coming. I'm in your head. I'm in your head.
I think I'm losing sanity.
More. Head. I'm in. Goblin man will come.
I must fight him.
Blinks, and thou he shall not blink. A wise word said by who? Not who. Or
It's
the
in my head.
old man, the handsome old
It's
goblin
in
man.
my head. It's in my head.
I will be your mighty goblin man. Surrender! Give up your life.
It's in my head.
Give up. I'm in your head. You cannot escape the Almighty.
This frightens me. I should probably hide in this store. But
Feel my hands going through your thighs.
tumingin ka.
The goblin man has to back my arm. And his other arm not used to the
I think Goblin